Well, I joined the program because I want to learn how to start a campus ministry. Ang isang purpose lang pala bakit po tayo nagkaroon ng campus ministry is to win souls for Christ. That's the bottom line. Why? Itong passion na to ay ito yung mag-fuel to run the program because of the purpose, the winning souls.
At nakita ko as I observe, as I learned sa mga klase natin, nakita ko po na pinag-isipan, nakita ko po na pinagdasal talaga. Ang kid movement po ay I think it's a tool or a vehicle na papunta po doon sa kung paano ipe-penetrate yung campus. And this tool is a very good tool po para maabot natin sila.
Yun po, marami pong learnings, marami pong technicalities, marami po kaming natutunan na mga programs or mga strategies po. Isa po sa pinaka na-impart po sa amin sa mga umattend po ay yung puso po talaga. Yung pinaka-puso po ng mga nag-advocate, yung puso po, yung burden po na meron sa kanila is napasa po sa amin. Makakatulong po talaga para din po sa aming local church na muli po namin binubuksan yung pagka-campus ministry po namin.
To make a difference to our city, to those people na maabot po ng program na to, the Kid Movement. And the experience, the impact that we can bring, touch the lives of other people.
This seminar helped me and gave me a lot of insights on how to deal with students. And I have encountered myself some students who are really high on drugs. So now when I attended this Kid Movement deputization seminar, I learned a lot and on how to deal with them, and also the importance of learning about our country's law, especially the Republic Act 9165 or the Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002.
Alam naman natin po ngayon sa henerasyong ito, yung mga young generation po natin, they long for love, they long for someone na mag-care po sa kanila, and that was the burden na binigay po sa akin ni Lord. And having this deputization ngayon po, it helps me so much na magiging bala, kumbaga bala po na may dadalhin po tayo sa field, because this movement is holistic po siya. May program na po siya that was proven and nagamit na po siya sa different schools, and it is thriving actually.
Talagang malaking tulong po itong seminar ng Kid Movement dahil na-equip po tayo, and malaking tulong po ito na mahikayat po natin yung mga kabataan sa campus.
Kapag buhay ng kabataan na pag-uusapan, hindi lang siya oras. It requires your heart, no, your sacrifices, and a lot more things that entails it. So the challenge in me is to really bring out that alabaster jar that would help those kids, those young people, to prepare the way of Jesus in their life, just as what Mary did.
Parang ngayon, pagbalik namin sa mga church namin, parang mas equipped kami at parang mas kami empowered at mas lalong ginanahan na mag-campus ministry. No, I think sa biyaya ng Panginoon, mas mapapa-enlarge namin at madodoble yung mga campus na nire-reach out namin. Salamat ulit, Kid Movement Ministry.